Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this easy and delicious recipe for chocolate peanut M&M cookies. Doesn't the name sound delicious too? So let's get right into the recipe here. It's as simple as putting all the ingredients in one bowl together and mixing. And voila, you have your batter ready. So this is another one bowl recipe for your list. Let's start with putting both our sugar, egg, butter and vanilla in the bowl and give all of this a good mix till everything is light and fluffy. Don't forget to scrape the bowl after a minute to make sure nothing is left at the bottom and everything is mixing in. Give this mixture a final 20-second mix and you will know it's done when it's lighter in color. Now you will add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. Give it all a good mix with your mixer till everything is just combined. You don't want to overbeat this batter. Otherwise, you'll get some very tough cookies. Now for the star of the show. So these peanut covered chocolate M&Ms are quite big in size, and if I add them just as, they will kind of pop out of the cookie, which to me is not very appealing unless you're using plain M&Ms. So what I have done is I have chopped up about a cup of these M&Ms and they're quite small now, and this way they will mix in well and you will get M&Ms in every bite. Now before you can make your cookies, you need to refrigerate this batter for at least an hour, I'd say, to harden that butter in the batter. If you bake them now, they will only flatten out. Cover your batter with a cling film and put it in the refrigerator. My cookie batter is chilled now and I'm using this ice cream scoop, which is about a 1/4 cup measure, to scoop my cookies onto the parchment lined baking tray. Using an ice cream scoop helps you get even cookies every time you bake them. Into the oven these cookies go at 180 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. Look at those M&Ms peeking out from these yummy cookies. These smell so good, you guys. The outer layer of these cookies will be crusty and the inside all deliciously soft. Let's open one and see. You can see the soft cookie inside and those peanuts too. I got a total of 15 cookies from this batter. Do try these cookies and let me know in the comments below how you like them. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you all again next Monday. Until then, happy baking!